All right, hello, welcome back to another wonderful, fun-filled, mortgage-related video. I should have ended that a little better, but I didn't. At any rate, I'm not sure if you've heard or if you've been watching the market. The past 2 days, the equity market stocks have plummeted, and the bond market has reaped a lot of the benefits of that. When we last spoke, we talked about the 10-year Treasury going from 2.15 all the way up to 2.4. It closed in the mid 2.3 range. Well, today it closed at, what are we at? It got to underneath 2%, and it closed at 1.9907, so a huge drop. We talked last time about why interest rates had moved up, and it was because at the EU summit they had come to some sort of an increased bailout plan for Greece. They got the haircut that they needed from private banks, and they got the government help from other nations to pretty much bail out Greece and help it to stay solvent and not become a bankrupt nation. Well, after all of that, yesterday the Greek Prime Minister, Mr. Papandreou, out of nowhere decided that he was going to hold 2 votes. One was going to be a confidence vote, and the other was going to be a referendum on whether to take this new bailout and implement the austerity measures. It's not going to pass if it goes to a vote. The Greek people are about 60% or so against these austerity measures. They have had violent protests against them, and Greece is probably going to go bankrupt. So that is what sent the markets reeling. Number one, Papandreou's like, hey, do you guys like me? Please tell me you like me. That's a government confidence vote. Like, am I doing a good job? The reason he's doing that is he's bleeding members from his own party as he has to go on these very, very difficult austerity measures for the Greek populace. They're just not used to living like that. And then second is putting it to a referendum, saying they're not going to go through with it if the people don't want it. If they do that, they're set to be out of money and bankrupt in January. So stay tuned. I will guide you guys through. Rates took a huge leap forward today and came down. FHA and VA rates are back down below 4% like we had talked about before when they got up to 4.125 to 4.375. Conforming conventional rates also came down. It is a fantastic time to be buying, refinancing, especially now to be refinancing as we've come back down. So give me a call, 253-468-1073. My information's here. Brian at AbsoluteLoans.com. My phone number again. Facebook.com/MyMortgageMatters, and on Twitter at BRLaFlame. Alright, I will see you guys back here as soon as news breaks, or later that day after I record and edit this video to send out to you guys. Until then, you stay classy. Is that pretty good? Mm-hmm.